What's up, guys? This is BabaSwagger. Welcome back to my channel. We about to go out again. Where we going?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AJ with the squad. Got my boy Matt in the back.
I'm chilling,
Got
man.
BabaSwagger in the cut.
Chilling like a villain.
Chilling like a villain, you heard?
Yeah, I like this. Yeah. It's easy holding, you know. Let me just.
The other one was hard.
Nah, it's
No.
just.
Too short.
It seems like it's
This
too
one
low.
is this one is
This one is. It's,
You can't like straight. You
it's-
can't.
I like it like that. I mean, if you setting the camera down, like when you were recording a while,
Yeah,
just split the thing.
They got a
Just
good
split
grip
this
too.
thing right there, yeah. Back camera shaking like it got scissors.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are in the mall. The beautiful Buffalo, New York Mall. Hear me? Gang, gang. Anyway, so what we gonna do is, you wanna make a bet real quick with me? All right, the first 10 shots, you gotta at least hit like 6 targets. The first 10 shots, and then I gotta hit like 6 targets the first 10 shots. Okay, and then you wanna put money on that?
How many?
I wanna, huh?
How many times you got to do it?
No, we got 70 shots.
Yeah.
We got 70 shots, right? And I think like 20 targets.
Yeah.
So out of the 20 targets, like you could hit, if you could hit, no, let's say 5. You could hit 5 targets with 10 shots. That's 2 shots for a target. So you get and then like something like that. You wanna bet money? I'm about to bet this nigga.
We're gonna see.
You wanna bet money, Matt?
Bet what?
All right, so this was gonna happen, right? You know how we got 70 shots, right?
Yeah.
So I wanna bet you the first 10 shots.
Right.
You hear me? You get the first 10 shots. You gotta hit 5 targets. That's 2 shots per target.
Okay.
So if you miss, if like, let's say I do,
Listen, though, we can't be gambling right now.
Oh, astaghfirullah. Okay, no gambling.
That's why
Okay, we know.
I said I ain't trying to bet money.
Okay. No gambling, but just like you know, like regular, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoever got the best accuracy between me and you. Alright, you gonna do that then. But yeah, guys, I can't gamble right now because I'm fasting. But we gonna see who me and him who got the best accuracy when it comes to shooting. But we still win something, you know. So the first person with the that his.
You just can't put no money down.
Nah, we can't. Yeah, we can't put no money down. But we gonna see. We gonna see.
Do that after Ramadan.
After Ramadan, yeah. Guys, we are at the gun range. Fake gun range. Alright, so that's the targets. How many targets are there?
30.
30?
Yeah.
Oh, so there's 30 targets. So we're still gonna do the 5. We're still gonna do the 5 shots. I mean, the 5 targets, 10 shots, 5 targets. Those are the targets. 30 targets. So we are about to see who got the best accuracy. Okay. And then I'll be right back with y'all. This is what we're using right here. And it's heavy too.
I know.
I'm in this lane, this one lane, and then AJ is on the second lane. And we're gonna see where Matt going.
Who's the sniper here?
How was that? 3? That was 3 shots for me? Damn, what the hell? Damn, man. I gotta use my other eye. I was supposed to.
Very good job, man.
How many numbers?
12, 17, 18. 18 out of 30.
Wow. Well, that's the whole 70?
Yes.
I gotta pay another time, huh? Said 17 out of 30.
You done?
So yeah, 17 out of 30.
Come on. You are 18.
18 out of 30. Oh, Matt took an L, now he want to go to the gun range. He said, this is not, I don't want this, I want the real guns. Ah, this nigga funny.
See him, okay? Learn from him.
Wow.
You gotta take notes. You gotta wait for them.
Wow.
Abraham, take notes. Count those things. Oh, sorry. 4, 8, 11, 15, 18. Okay, 18, 18. 1, 3,
Wow.
8, 9.
You don't tell me that.
Wow.
If it was a zombie apocalypse, I'm not going there. Because he's going to get us killed. It's okay. No, this time I was using this eye. This eye I was missing like crazy, like but I don't know, I don't miss it. Yeah, I did too much. I did too much. I should have started with my left eye because the first boy.
So that means he
and
still
then-
got the win.
He still got the win.
He still got the win.
He still got the win. But no, we're gonna.
We have a zombie apocalypse. Call me.
He still got me. All right, thank you, man. All right, have a nice one.
We'll go back next time again.
Next time, yeah. Oh my God. That's crazy. No aim at all. No, bro. I think I don't got no. I can't see from my left eye.
You would have had more hits. It was that last target.
The last target was like bang, 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 bang. I'm like, what the
I
hell?
can't see from my both eyes, though.
No,
I got hit in the eye.
You got hit in the eye.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. Is the scar on this side or is the scar on this side?
It's a scar.
Oh, so I don't know why this eye is bad.
No, that's a
If
scar.
this side right,
here.
then that's why I can't see from this eye. You remember that one fight? But hey man, at least I got at least I got a good eye.
You said, what smell good?
The cookies. Bye, I do good. I can't wait till I get the paintball. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boy, y'all could run. Y'all could run if y'all want. Y'all have been a bigger target. In the corner store, like I'm gonna build the
That corner store you always go to. Oh yeah, right there.
You gonna ride on me at the corner store, drive by shit. Oh shit, it feels good outside. Damn, that feels good. Oh my god, it feels good out here. Oh my god, this feels super good. Yeah, bro, that was some
Back
shit.
from the mall. Swagger took an L. Matt took an L.
AJ got lucky.
That's my first time shooting.
Hey, there's no such thing as luck.
No, because you had time. Because he said, "Oh, your shit didn't finish." He's like, "Oh, he didn't finish." Bet I got
Hey, the
time.
first time I was tied up with you though.
Yeah,
I
you was tied up. You was tied up. But damn, it's good though. It's good. We're gonna try it again. Videos.
Yo, Matt, what you about to do, bro? You got your shoes? You got shoes?
Oh yeah.
Or not.
Huh?
I don't have shoes.
Well,
What
you
time
can't.
is it right now?
It's only 6 hours. Yeah. He's gonna ball.
Y'all about a ball?
This nigga about to take an L again.
He took an L the last time. He about to take another
I'm
L.
ass at balling, man. I ain't balling a long time. Very long time. So
I
I'm
mean, he
ass.
can't even put his arm back now, so I got the advantage.
Yeah, you're right.
Y'all about a ball right now?
Yeah, I mean we got time, so we came out.
Yeah,
We came out too early.
I'm about to get me her shoes then.
Alright. We about to go ball for real. You heard me? About to go ball for real, man. Listen, if you like that video, make sure to comment your thoughts. Make sure you like that video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. BabaSwagger.
Yeah, hit that notification button. Don't forget about that notification
What he
button.
just said. What he just said.
Make sure you subscribe to my boy Matt.
Little Matt, the link's gonna be right around here, where left or right, somewhere around here. You'll see it. It's gonna be right there. Make sure you subscribe. Support. One love, guys. One love. One love. You hear me? Bada bing. Bada boom. Bang.